Hello, it's me, Robin, with Simple Food, Simple Life. I just want to show you real quick. Whenever I make meals, I make enough for 3 or 4 people, and then I always have leftovers. So basically, I'm just making my own TV dinners or frozen dinners. So I've taken this out today to thaw. It is the chicken pot pie, and I put in the last of my Brussels sprouts with that, and that's going to be my lunch, along with some beets that I pickled. These are canned beets that I just made a pickle for, and then stored it in this jar. Yes, I know it says brats. It's not brats. It's pickled beets. And I'll put a link to this recipe below. This is another recipe on the label. And I also have one last frozen package of my porcupine meatballs. And so I'm going to eat that for my supper, along with some rice that I have in the refrigerator. I cooked enough rice for several containers. My dog eats it as well as myself, so I'm working through this container. I'll have that with rice, some salad, and I'm going to have a little broccoli with my porcupine meatballs. Here I've got, that's for today. When I break my fast around noon or so, I will have this. And then for my supper, I will have this. Now, this is 2 more meals. They're not frozen. I made this the other night. So I've got those 2 that I can eat. And they're pasta shells and tuna with some bread and butter. And these are my chicken supreme. I've got 2 of those. These are frozen. So I will be working my way through these prepared meals. Why do I do this? I do this, number 1, because I don't like to waste food. Number 2, I want to concentrate on my nutrition, because if left to my own devices and I don't do any pre-planning whatsoever, I will end up eating garbage or not eating anything or just snacking on crackers. That's not good. So this allows me to plan my meals a little bit better, plus use up what I have and throw in some fresh things as well. This particular thing is the last of a head of lettuce that I had. I made a little salad out of it. I don't buy bag salad. Very rarely do I buy bag salad, but I will make my own bag-o salad, as we call it. And this is the end of a head of cabbage. And then I can get done with that, enjoy that, and then, lettuce, and then I can start in on my new head of lettuce. So there you go. That's it. I hope this helps. And just don't throw things away. If you have a little bit of preparedness, you're going to do great. All right. I love you. And as always, little is much when God is in it. Thanks for being here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, because other people need to know this stuff. Okay. Bye. Love ya.